Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am excited to unbox Grove Collaborate. So they are not a subscription box. They consider themselves an auto-renewing box. And they're kind of one of the originators in this subscription box movement. A lot of them don't want to be claimed as subscription boxes because it seems like you're like stuck into something with a full commitment and time frame, whereas Grove's much more relaxed in that. They are a box that commits to sending clean beauty, household stuff. They have a great laundry system that you can have your stuff auto shipped to you like you would groceries or anything else, or you could have nothing shipped and you can buy one off. So it's not like you get the same things over and over. You may have soap sent every 3 months and wipes sent, in between months. So you can really mix and match what you're putting into your box. This is my very first box. All of my friends use Grove. My sister has been begging me to check it out, and I'm not exactly sure why I haven't. It's kind of odd. So I realized I need to go buy all of these things from the grocery store, which means I have to stop, go to the store, etc. It's like, I'm going to check out Grove. And so inside is my packing slip, and I wanted to tell you about this offer. They gave me the same offer. I can pass it out to you guys that I got, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 items for free over a $45 value. So in this box, I have 11 items, of which only 4 of them I paid for. So let's go through those items, then I'll bounce back to show you what items they're going to give you for free if you sign up with me. The first item I have here is the Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge. I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. Non-abrasive, perfect for cookware, glassware, and countertops. Oh yeah, so this is the one I got that you can see it's two-toned on it. And you can use it to clean the countertops and your pots and pans, and it's not tacky. It actually looks really, really cute. So there's that guy. Then they get that, I believe, is free. Then this item, I believe, also is free, the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Dish Soap. And then I ordered this guy because I just ran out of this. They have a ton, pages upon pages of products to choose from. 7th generation free and clear liquid dish soap. And we just already use that in our household. So I paid for that guy. Oh, and this is how we clean everything. We clean our bathrooms, we clean common areas, the kitchen, etc. with these wipes. And so I go through a lot of them. So I bought how many? 3 of the big of these. So let me actually separate it. These are items I paid for and those I didn't. What's next? The Grove Collaborative 16-ounce spray bottle. Hey, can we just stop and talk about this packaging? This is gorgeous packaging. I like to keep boxes like this and repurpose them for my kids to play with. So, voila. It's got a non-slip bottom, but it is glass. It's not heavy. So there you go, cleaner bottle. This was free. What's this guy? Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Hand Soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. This is free. And I'm already a huge fan of this product, so that's a huge bonus. These others I haven't tried before, so I'm just whatever. This I already buy. It's like a grab box. Oh yeah, another one of these guys. I bought him because I love him. Another one of these guys. I bought him because I love him. What in the world do we have here? Oh, it's a caddy. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So this caddy came for free, and this is Mrs. Meyers hand lotion. Oh yeah, I already love this stuff too. So that's also for free. Okay, is there anything else in here? This little card. Every little thing in your home should deserve its place in your home. So true. Very well said. It's very cute. Anyways, it's a little note from Amanda, who is my Grove guide. And if I ever have any questions or anything, it has her phone number and her email on here. When I placed my order with Grove, I immediately got a follow-up email from Grove saying we're processing your order, that typical stuff. But I also got an email from Amanda introducing herself, checking in if I had any questions, were any like products I wanted missing, is there anything I needed help with? So the customer service I already know is extraordinary. So on this deal, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items complimentary. They do mix it up and change. I know for the offer that they extended to me that I can give to you guys, I can give you guys the hand soap for free, the dish soap for free, the spray bottle for free, the caddy, and the sponge. So everything but the lotion. You get everything but the lotion. And it's a $45 value or a little over. And I am able to give you a 60-day trial, a 60-day VIP trial of the membership. So I don't remember what the membership is per month or it's a year. It's not that expensive whatsoever. But I'm going to be able to give you not only all of these items for free, but you get to try it for 60 days to make sure that you actually like it. And so what I would recommend is hopping on. You have to place a $20 minimum order. So these are the big ones, the 1 pound. So I got 3 1 pounds and this soap for $25. So in essence, I got all of this for $25. So hop on, place an order, spend your $25, get all your free items, and then try them out. See if you like it. Mark your calendar. So for me, April 7th is I have to decide by. I've already put it on my calendar with an alarm. If by April 7th I'm like, I'm not loving this, I'm obviously going to continue. Why would I cancel? But if I'm like, I'm not using it, isn't my thing, then I'll just get on and cancel. It really is super simple, guys. I would say I'm going to dive into the products and test them, but I already know I love all of these products and that they're phenomenal. So maybe I'll look back and let you know how well this works. Grove, this is such a cool thing you guys are doing. Really, really am happy that you guys are focusing on providing, I'm going to say moms, because that's who we talk about here, moms a way to clean and take care of our families in a healthy manner while not also destroying our earth. Kind of counterproductive, huh? Thank you for making it possible to clean. You guys, stay tuned. We have so many more cool unboxings coming your way soon. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.